Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos at Montauk Avenue. In the title, as you can see, I am back making juice recipes. And this juice recipe, as you can see in the title, is good for post-monthly moments for women. And we're going to make a lovely juice. The ingredients I'm going to be using today, I know you can probably see greens. I'm going to be using some kale, some lovely kale. I'm also going to use some beet. I'm also going to use some apple. I'm going to use some ginger. I'm going to use some lemon. And I'm going to use some oranges. I am going to take some of the kale, and I'm going to take some of the oranges, and I'm going to take some of the apple. I'm going to take some of the beets. Of course, I can't leave out the ginger. All right, we are going to go ahead and juice it up. Okay, and we have a lovely rich red color. I don't know if you can see it before I pour it, but I'm about to pour it now. It's a lovely rich red color. Ooh, look at that. And I was able to make a good 20 ounces today of this lovely rich red post-monthly juice for women. And I mean, but of course anyone can drink this. This has fruits and vegetables, okay? So we will try this lovely juice. And remember, I will put everything in the description, of course. I even put some of the beet on my lips. I don't know if you can tell. I always love to do that when I make juices with beet in it. So yeah, I just thought I would share that. Let's try it. I can smell the ginger. Oh my goodness. So let's try our lovely rich red juice together. You see how red it is? Oh my goodness. So let's try this together, and also be sure to check out my other juicing videos. I've created other juicing videos and recipes, and I'm sure you will love them and enjoy them. There are recipes for everybody. So let's try this. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Right away, let me see. Yeah, right away I taste the ginger and the orange and the apple. I don't even taste the kale. I use 2 handfuls of kale, but I don't even taste it. Definitely, I will leave tips as always in the description. This is so good. Oh my goodness. And I'll bottle it up. I will be sure to put the bottles that I use in the description as well. And so this is the rest of you see my red fingertips. And so this is the rest of the juice. This is so good. I was going to put it away for later, but I think I'm going to drink it now before I head outside. As always, I love and miss my divines, and be sure to check out our videos on YouTube, and who knows what the next video will be. We're doing vlogs, doing juicing videos, doing smoothies. We're doing all kinds of things at Montauk Avenue. And as always, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, divines.